Welcome to our channel Coding Solutions. In this video, I am going to discuss about zip function. Zip, Z-I-P, zip function. Zip function. Okay. So what is a zip function? In zip function, we can combine many lists. Suppose you have a list called name and another list called roll number. You can combine them in a single list by the help of a zip function. So let me show you. Suppose I am taking name equals to, suppose I take 3 to 4 names. Suppose I'm taking 3 to 4 names. This is one name, this is another name. Okay, this is another name, and lastly let me take this name. Okay, done. Done. Okay, it's done. Now let me take ID. I've taken 4 names, so let me take 4 IDs. 101. Okay, 4 IDs. Now with the help of a zip function, see, the first name is Tonmoy, so Tonmoy's ID will be 101. Okay, Tonmoy's ID will be 101. The second name will be 102. The third name will be 103, like that. With the help of a zip function, the output will be like this. Suppose the output will be, I'm showing you just a rough word. The output will be like this. The output will be like this. Okay, Tonmoy, which is a ID 101. Okay, now let's show you how to use the zip function. I'm taking this as a result equals to list. This is a list, we all know this is a list. Zip means many lists to a single list, so I'm taking list. Then I will be taking zip, and within zip there will be name comma ID. Is it clear to you all? Name comma ID, that's it. Now print result. Let's see what's the output. See, okay. I think you can understand easily. See, the names with the IDs. Okay, it's very easy. Zip function, see, it is so useful. It is a so useful function. This is the use of a zip function. Now, suppose you want to add here the section. Suppose you want to add that Tonmoy is studying in section A. So you want to add the section. So that also you can do. After ID, just give a comma, and within quotation there are 4 names, so I am giving A, B, A, B. Okay, that's it. Now let's again print. See, Tonmoy belongs to A section, then Rockstar belongs to B, like that. See, okay, it is very easy. You forgot to add, but you are adding it here and it is storing. Okay, like that you can add marks also. After that, if you forgot again, you can add marks. So this is the use of a zip function. It is so easy. Now you can 4 or 5 lists, you can do it in a single way. 4 or 5 lists are there. They all will be in a single list. So I think you have understood the zip function. If you have any queries, just comment down. I will answer. Thank you for watching this video. Stay safe, stay healthy.